Let's get it. Today we're going to be going over another Olympus DAO fork, Hector DAO. At the time of recording of this video, this project had just over 200,000% APY. You will notice that my lip sync is a little off for this video because my audio was turned off when I was recording. So I'm going to do my best to give you a solid voiceover of this step-by-step process. So let's go. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Crypto Cabin. My name is Tom, and in today's video we're going to be going over another Ohm fork called Hector DAO. If you're new to the channel, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, and then hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. Before I get into it, I need to remind you all that these are very risky projects. A lot of projects like this have already rug pulled in the past. However, I do believe that these projects can give a massive return on a very small investment if you're smart and are not risking more than you are willing to lose. So let's jump in. First up, we have Hector DAO here, of course, which you can access through coinmarketcap.com. You will see that you can click on the website there. They always have that information on CoinMarketCap, and that'll take you to this website right here. You can also check out their staking feature, which you can see they have a 200,000% APY as of right now. For the sake of this video, I'll be taking you through the how to buy HEC document. So this is a Word document that they've got on their website, and it is a step-by-step process on how to stake Hector DAO. So step one here, when we scroll on down, is going to be to add the Binance Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet. So click on your extensions tab and then come down, click Metamask, and then make sure that you are on the Binance Smart Chain. If you don't have it already added, that is the information that you will need to put in to your Metamask to make sure that you can actually be on the Binance Smart Chain. Once again, click your Metamask and then go up into the right-hand corner on that little icon, scroll down to Settings. Once you click on that, you need to scroll down to find networks, and then you could click on add a network. You can see I've already got BSC in there, but we're going to click add a network, and then all of the information from that Google document is what you will be able to copy and paste over into your MetaMask in order to add the new network, the Binance Smart Chain. Step two is going to be to add the Fantom Opera Network to your MetaMask wallet. So you can go to spookyswap.finance/swap and it should add it pretty automatically into your MetaMask wallet. Alternatively, you could copy and paste all that same information just like we did for the Binance Smart Chain. Step three is going to be to add BNB into your Fantom Opera Network on MetaMask. So this is just adding the token onto your Fantom Opera Network. So we need to go into SpookySwap. We're going to type in BNB and then just hit that little plus sign, and it's going to add it into our MetaMask wallet. So once you click on add that token, you should be able to go back into your Fantom Opera Network on your MetaMask and see BNB in there. Alternatively, you can copy that address right there, copy and paste that into your MetaMask and add the token manually. So you'd scroll down, hit import tokens, copy and paste it in there. I've already added it, so I get an error, but you wouldn't. Step four is going to need to be to get some Fantom for fees. So for this, you're going to need to join their Discord, and the link is right there in the Google document, so it's really nice and easy. Then we need to go over to the Fantom Faucet-Claim tab on their Discord. Then we're going to type in !faucet, all one word. Then we'll see there it is in progress, and then you should see right away from their bot that you can claim up to 0.1 Fantom. Now we need to go and get it into our wallet. So once we've done that, you click on the Fantom Withdraw tab in their Discord, !withdraw, and then go and copy your MetaMask address from MetaMask, obviously. There should be a copy to clipboard thing. Hit the space button, type in your address, and then it should be good to go. You can see I made a couple errors beforehand. That's because I didn't have a space in between. So now we're going to go check to make sure that we do have some Fantom in our wallet now. That balance was 0. We now have 0.09, so there is a little bit in there for fees. Step number 5 here is going to be to buy some BNB on Binance and send it to your MetaMask wallet. I think you can buy some BNB on Trust Wallet, but I used Binance for this personal example. Whichever method you use, you will need to make sure to copy your MetaMask address and then paste that into where you are going to send your BNB tokens. Either if you're sending it from Binance or if you're sending it from Trust Wallet, make sure that you have the MetaMask address in there, and also make sure that you are sending it as a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. We want to make sure that this token gets into our MetaMask wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. So I have gone ahead and sent some BNB to my MetaMask wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. That's what we need. Step number 6 is going to be to bridge from Smart Chain to Fantom Opera Network. So the BNB you sent, we need to bridge over. We need to go to SpookySwap again, go to the bridge button there, and then we need to switch that Ethereum chain to the BSC, and now we can bridge it over to Fantom. So we got to select the token that we want to bridge over, which in this case is BNB. Right now it is showing that we have 0.76 on the Binance Smart Chain, but 0 on the Fantom network. So we need to change that. So I'm going to hit the max button there. A little bit will be left for fees. You can't ever exchange the entire amount. So I'm going to take even a little bit more off here to leave some more BNB in my wallet for fees for other things. So I'm going to transfer 0.75 from the Binance Smart Chain over into the Fantom network. Again, there's going to be a small fee for this. As always, there's small fees with all of this stuff. Every transaction is going to be a small little fee. It is pending right there. As you can see, I'm bridging 0.75 BNB over to Fantom. And then right here, you can see that the switch was made. It does say the transaction is still pending or processing, but it has transferred. This transaction did take a little longer than the others. It says it can take anywhere from 10 minutes to a few hours, but the transaction did end up going through with those couple green check marks there, and my BNB was able to be bridged from BSC to Fantom. Next step, step 7, is to actually buy some Hector. So we are going to need to go over to spookyswap.finance/swap again and make sure that we are on the Fantom Opera Network. So we go over to swap there, and then we are going to make sure, double check that your MetaMask is on the correct network. So go on up to your extensions tab again, click on MetaMask. I was still on the Binance Smart Chain there, so make sure we switch over to the Fantom Opera Network, and then we can go back into SpookySwap, and now we are going to try to switch some BNB for HEC or Hector DAO tokens, trying to transfer the max. Once again, you need to approve any new asset transferring for the first time on a different blockchain, so a small transaction fee there of about 2 cents. That transaction fee goes through, so now I can swap BNB for some Hector. Even after the transaction has gone through a couple times, you usually need to wait for the buttons at the bottom to approve, and so then now I'm able to swap now since they switched for me. So I'm going to hit swap and then go over and try to transfer some, but as you can see, the gas fees were a little higher at this point, so I didn't have enough gas fees to buy some HEC at this point in time. So if this happens to you, go ahead and reject this transaction, because obviously we don't have enough gas fees for it to go through. So hit the reject button there. And then what I ended up doing is going and transferring a very small amount of BNB to Fantom, just so that I have a little bit extra Fantom on the Fantom Opera Network to do any transactions in the future. So I did need to wait a little bit for gas fees to come down, but I had just enough to transfer some more BNB for more Fantom. This was for about 3 to 4 Fantom, I believe, and then that went through, and now I have a little bit of extra Fantom for gas fees, because that is what we are going to need for staking some Hector and unstaking. So you do need that little bit of extra for gas fees on any sort of platform that you use, whether that's Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Fantom, Solana, whatever. You're going to need a little bit of the native asset in order to conduct any further transactions on that network. So now that we've got enough Fantom for fees, we can go ahead and try to swap our BNB for HEC. So we need to select HEC there. I'm going to select max, and you can see I'm going to get about 3.47 HEC tokens. We're going to go ahead and hit swap on this transaction, and then we're going to need to approve this transaction or confirm it in our Metamask wallet, and then it should go through pretty quickly here. There we go, got our HEC, and now we should be ready to go and stake. So that is the next step on their document, is to stake Hector. So go back to their website, app.hectordao.com, and then go to the stake tab. You will need to connect your Metamask wallet once again. So hit next and then connect, and then we should be good to go. Now you're going to need to approve this deposit transaction for the first time. So if this is your first time staking HEC, we do need to approve that contract for staking. So you click on approve, and then once again there will be a small transaction fee. We click confirm, and then that should go through, and we should now be good to stake. So now on your Hector DAO platform, you should see that you have the ability to stake HEC. I select the max there, and then I want to hit stake again, and then we can confirm this. Once again, small transaction fee, very normal. Once that goes through, it'll say success, you are good to go, the transaction was successful, and then it will also say that your balance will update very soon. So now, when that goes through, you will see that my balance shifted from my available balance to my staked balance is the exact same amount. So after that has gone through, we should be able to see our staked balance, our next reward amount in HEC, the percentage reward for each rebase, and then the total ROI for the 5-day rate anyway. You'll get 11% every 5 days at the current rates. So that is it for today, team. Thank you so much for watching, and if you got some value out of this video, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and then click the notification bell and select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I will see you next time on the next episode from the Crypto Cabin. Let's get it.